Many students see the mole as one of the strangest ideas in chemistry, but the mole is actually very simple. It is just a way of counting particles. First, why do we even need the mole? In chemistry, we deal with atoms, molecules, and ions. These particles are extremely tiny, so we cannot count them one by one like we count apples, books, or coins. So, chemists use a special counting unit called the mole. A mole is simply a counting unit used in chemistry. It tells us how many particles we are dealing with. 1 mole contains 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 particles. This number is called Avogadro's constant. So, if you have 1 mole of carbon atoms, you have 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms. This idea is similar to a dozen. 1 dozen means 12 items. In the same way, 1 mole means 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 particles. The only difference is that the mole is much larger because atoms and molecules are so small. So, why does this matter? The mole links tiny particles to something we can actually measure in the lab, mass in grams. We cannot directly count particles, but we can weigh a substance. So the key idea is this: the mole is not just a formula. The mole is the bridge between the invisible particle world and the measurable world of mass.